In today's DIY project, I'll be showing you how to use Dollar Tree ornaments and mirrors to decorate your wall for Christmas. I'll be using cardboard as my frame. You can also go ahead and use foam board if you'd like. For the frame, the cardboard is going to be 2.5 inches wider than each mirror. I have 3 mirrors, 5 inches, 6 inches, and 7 inches. So the actual size for each one will be 5 inches wider than the mirror. I use my yardstick to measure each one, and I'm using my pencil to join the lines, and then I use my electric scissors to cut out my cardboard shape. If you have a compass, go ahead and use it to measure your cardboard. It will be much easier. For each of my mirror, I'm using my paint pen just to go around the black edge that will be showing. And it's a little blurry, I'm sorry, so I'm speeding up this area so you won't have to sit through it. But I'm just using my paint marker just on that edge. That's the only part that will be showing, so no need for spray painting. Next, I'll be using one pool noodle from the Dollar Tree, and one is enough for all 3 mirrors. I'm just going to use a serrated knife to cut down the center of that pool noodle, and I'm just trying to cut it as straight as possible so it will be even when I'm done. The next step is to place my mirror in the center of my cardboard frame, and I'm just using my pencil to outline that mirror, and that way I'll place my hot glue in the area and then glue my mirror in place just to make sure that everything is nice and even. Now it's time to place my pool noodle on the edge of my frame, and I'm just using my hot glue to do so. Now I'm at the end. I'll use my X-Acto knife to cut off the extra, and I'll use that piece for the second one. Now we're done with that. The next step is to add our ornaments, and I have 16 packs of ornaments, 4 sizes, and I also have a few vase fillers that I'll be using to fill the areas. So just watch as I do this, okay? I'm using my hot glue gun just to pierce the hole in the pool noodle. Then I'm placing some hot glue in the space, and this will hold the ornaments in place. And I'm just placing each one in different spots. If you feel like you need to remove them and replace them with a different color, it's very easy to remove the ball from the plug. Now it's time to attach the smaller ornaments, and I'm placing them right in that gap around the mirror. I'm trying to lay them straight where they're not overlapping the edge of my mirror. Now it's time to add our medium sizes, and for this set I'm placing the glue right on the tip of our ornaments, and I'm just placing them right on that foam. For my fourth and final row, I'll be adding more of my smaller ornaments, and I'm just using my hot glue to attach my ornaments to the previous ones. Then I'll just use my vase fillers to fill in any gaps that I have. To hang it to the wall, just use a picture frame hook. I'll be using the wire from my picture frame hook package, and I'll use my pliers to cut a small piece, and I'll just use my Aleene's mixed media adhesive to attach it to the back along with some hot glue. If you'd like to give this as a gift, you can cover the cardboard with felt, and you can get felt from the Dollar Tree. So that was the largest one. Now I'll be working on the smallest. This is the 5-inch mirror, and I'm just going to be doing the same thing, but for the edges I'll be using the medium sized balls. I'm just going to be making 2 of them for now, since I only have 16 packs of my Christmas ornaments, but you can go ahead and make as many as you'd like. It's the same process, except I sized down on the ornaments since the mirrors are smaller. And here's our final results. Now, I think these are absolutely gorgeous, but I want to hear from you. What do you think about this Christmas wall decorations with Dollar Tree ornaments and mirrors? Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. I'd really love to hear from you. If you missed last week's video, here's the link on the screen. Just touch that rectangular box to watch it. Please remember to give me a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. It helps my channel to grow. All right, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time. So thank you so much for watching, and take care, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye bye.